cameraman doesn't want to show his name, but I mean his face, but his name is Naji. I'm Hassan, this is Liban and Zain. Today we're in Hackney, East London, and we're looking for sites. It's been really hard to find a site, so hopefully they will let us in.
So basically today the site that we've come to is a depot where materials are taken. If you can follow me, I'll show you the site, its name. We have Clancy Dockcraft, the Operations Centre. And if you turn the camera over there, you can see the actual depot site. We're basically going to go inside and we're going to talk to the operations manager, and he's going to show us around the site. And we're going to get familiar with what's actually going on here and what they're doing.
Yeah, and this site is basically like they deport stuff to other sites, from materials to machinery to everything. So we'll go inside and we'll have a chat about it. Yeah, so tie up pussy that we might drop and then they have to pay us.
Okay, before we start, your name is?
Ronnie.
Ronnie, and Ronnie, you are...
There's a site supervisor, yeah.
Site supervisor, okay. And start already, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So, I'll be asking the site supervisor, Ronnie, a few questions. Ronnie, when we came, what was the initial contact from us? Was it professional and polite?
Yeah, professional and polite, yeah.
Okay. Did we ask appropriate questions when we came about the site, when we wanted to know what it was about? We were prepared when we came to you.
Yeah, it was nice to see you land with hard hats and IVs.
Yeah.
But no, you came and presented yourselves very professional.
Did we provide a good quality of feedback and perceptions of health and safety management on site?
You'd have to narrow that one down a little bit. Health and safety is a vast.
Yeah, for real.
Would you be able to tell us what this site is? You said it's a depot earlier on. Like,
This is just the main depot. At one stage we had 350 men and run out of here. All that came in here for was materials, fittings. Obviously plant was held here, wagons was held here, but at the minute it's quite right off. The whole industry has really on Thames, which we do all the work for. Hopefully in a couple of months' time it should pick up.
Yeah. So it fluctuates how busy you get.
Yeah, it depends on what Thames and Hofwood want to spend on a contract.
I see.
Obviously there's only about 8 months, 9 months left on this contract, and then it goes through different pairs.
So when did you start the site here?
On this phase we started, well initially we started at King's Cross, and it was only a 6-month contract. That was 12 and a half years ago, so we've picked a lot of work up over the years.
You was telling me about the one-way system. What was like
the one-way system we had to put in place, and we put a pedestrian crossing in there. When you've got a lot of vehicles, especially with buyers, they're in the top corner of the yard. They've only got one entrance at the top. If you walk down the street, there's only one entrance into their depot and out. So by making them come down this way and our traffic coming in, normally we'd go the other way, clockwise. With the weighbridge being there as well, as from Monday we'll have a lot of wagons in and out, so we've made them go the opposite direction, just for their safety. You've got to try and think of all health and safety for everybody.
Yeah.
So by putting the walkway in and the one-way system in, you're trying to eliminate any accidents.
Exactly.
You do get strangers coming in. I mean, we have got signs there and others.
You have to remind them.
But you'll get them showed up that way. Now, if somebody comes out of the bar, they're going to have head-on collision. So you've got to
Force them kind of.
yeah. But on the whole, the fight was pretty good.
you was telling me you do you recycle water.
The muck that's excavated out of the ground is fetched in on lorries like something like that one there. We stockpile it there. We use a firm called Walsh. They come in with tipper wagons, we load them tippers up. That's ferried away back to their decor, and it goes through screeners. And on a screener you might have just like a big hopper at the back. The guy loads the hopper up, material goes through, any metal bars and wood will come off a different conveyor belt, and then on the opposite side it'll be anything from like 2-inch down. Concrete will drop off the end, and then it's just put through another system where the concrete's crushed up, and that's where you get your stone, your sand, your shingle, all that comes back and we reuse it. No problem.
Yeah. So camera.